Well, I think I'd vaguely heard the name Dorothy, my great-grandmother, before, but it didn't mean that much to me. All of a sudden, learning all about her life, she became a real person. It'd just be fabulous to sort of have a picture of her, which I don't have. But understanding her life and how she blossomed as a person in spite of a lot of the difficulties and sad times she had. And I wonder, did Dorothy have the opportunity to see her father before he died such a terrible death? What was that relationship like? And of course, how did her mother die? Did she know how her mother died? There's still a lot of questions that aren't there. But here's a woman who just got on with it.